Hey CC fam, it's your girl CCLV Christina, and today I am doing a Easter haul just to give you all some ideas on what you can put together in your closet or what to look for on your clearance racks while you're out shopping this weekend because Easter is swiftly approaching. So hey, so I hope you all enjoyed the Easter lookbook, but I wanted to include the spring box, subscription box that I got, and it's actually NitraaB's spring box. I want to do a quick unboxing with you all. I'm really excited. She is my favorite YouTuber, and I feel like she's a sister at heart. So congratulations, NitraaB. I am so excited. I want to open this box. Let's go. I have not looked at it. I just opened it with my scissors. So don't come for me. Okay. Woo. So we got the wrappings. Woo. One of my favorite brands is this Smoothie Star. It is, what's this? Smoothie Star, the breakfast scrub. It's like oatmeal shea butter, sugar body smoother. It's by Soap and Glory, and you know I swear by Soap and Glory. So this is definitely worth the subscription, and her box is $25. So really stay on her page because that thing sells out like IHOP pancakes on Saturday morning. Okay, we have some butt paste. It treats and prevents diaper rash. So we got some of that, and that will be good. It's spring, summertime approaching, so that'll be good, you know, to get you together for your swimsuits. Ooh, what's this? Alvia, and this is a daily moisturizer. So yes, although it's warming up, you still need to moisturize because you really need to build that elasticity in your skin. So make sure you take care of yourself and you moisturize daily. If you take 2 showers, you need to moisturize each time you bathe. Ooh, we got some coconut oil, and this is for your lips though. This is by Kapari, so I'm here for that. Let's see. Okay, what else? Ooh, got a lot of goodies for $25. Girl, this is almost 25 by itself. Okay. Becca First Light Priming Filter. So I know this is signature NitraaB. She swears by Becca primer and the foundation. So I can definitely see that. This is a Pure Lise Blue Locust. What is this? This is an eye serum. So I guess when you're moisturizing, when you are washing your face and all that good stuff, this will be a good thing to kind of keep your under eyes in check and making sure you don't get bags and all that. So got that. And ooh, powder cloud. This is called Osis Plus. So I don't know if this is Fix Plus sprayable powder. So maybe it sets the face or something. It smells good. Yes, and it's a lot of product in here. Actually, for a sample, this is like a 0.28 ounce. So it's enough for you to get a feel of it like for a week or something. So I can't wait to try this out. And I got, oh, some NYX lipstick. Yes, and it is the Copenhagen color, which is like a dark plum. It's like the night moth of NYX. So that's dope. And of course you get, hang on, I'm getting to it. And then of course you get all the products on here listed and everything like that. And last but not least, Not Your Mother's Naturals is coconut milk and African Murula tree oil. It is a high moisture smoothing cream for your hair. Oh, okay. Yes, honey. So you can just have some lustrous locks, honey. So I'm going to put that on my hair. I am very excited. So that is her unboxing. Thank you, NitraaB. I can't wait to get the next box. But yes, always remember that confidence is a lifestyle, and don't you dare walk out the door without it. Love you.